Hey people, welcome back. So appreciate you tuning in. As you can see here, I'm very fatigued. Getting a little too fat, I think. A little out of shape, so that's why I keep bees. People who think that beekeeping is just putting bees in a box, there's a lot of work involved. So without further ado, I've been basically working on this garden beehive underneath a raised bed, and check it out. Okay, so again, this is Thursday. I try to work a little bit each day on it. I worked on it yesterday for the first day. So today is day 2. And now I got all of the dirt pretty much cleared all the way down. Now, that last brick, I don't think there's any bees in that because it seems fairly empty and lots of sand. So I'm going to start at that end and take the block apart until I get to the colony to figure out where exactly they are. But for now, this is where I am on Thursday. To be continued. More progress to come tomorrow on Friday. Stay tuned.